This video is an overview of the ServiceNow DevOps application for managing and streamlining the software development process. You can jump to these topics from the YouTube description for this video. DevOps is an integrated environment for overseeing your software development process and streamlining it. DevOps starts by connecting to the tools for every step in your pipeline: planning, coding, and orchestration. DevOps supports several popular tools out of the box, and your integration developer can integrate other planning and coding tools. Those connections let DevOps see every step in the process. With that view, DevOps gives you real-time analytics on the entire process, with dashboards for development activities, commit insights, deployments, change acceleration, and system health. These analytics give your DevOps team visibility and ownership over the entire development process and show specific activities that might need your attention. For example, here on the Development tab, if you see a low trend in the commit frequency, check the data from your coding tool. Smaller, more frequent commits tend to be less risky. Or here on the Commit Insights tab, if you see the percentage of reverted commits going up, take a look at your pre-commit process. Are your developers doing enough review and testing before the commit? Here on the Deployments tab, if you see a long lead time between code commitment and running in production, check your pipeline for slow steps. Is a manual change process slowing you down? Or here on the Change Acceleration tab, if the aging report is showing approval times in the days or weeks, look at your change approval policies to see if you can cut down on manual approvals. Or here on the System Health tab, if you see a drop in the execution success rate, check your jobs or scripts for build and test and deployment to make sure they're working right. You can also check the entire pipeline for any execution. Here in the Corp2 app, we can see the code integration, testing, the change for deployment to production, and the deployment itself. By automating these steps, the entire execution took a little over 4 minutes. DevOps also accelerates change control within the development process, initiating the request, gathering governance data, multiple rounds of review and approval, closing the request when the change is complete, and gathering audit info. In a manual change control process, those actions can take days or weeks on the calendar and days or weeks of labor. DevOps can perform those change control actions automatically based on rules you define. That can reduce the duration and labor for a change request from days or weeks to a few hours without compromising the quality of the change. To get started, your DevOps administrator will connect DevOps to the tools in your dev pipeline and import historical data to support the analytics. When that's done, you're ready to start using the dashboards for insights and accelerating the change process. For more information, see our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.